Now, let's look at the first feature, Material Database Viewer. In all features, please operate from left to right and top to bottom. On the left is the Material Search panel and the result list. Use keywords to search for material, or use polymer type bonding with suppliers to search for materials. Otherwise, the switch icon can be switched to search for materials by the supplier bonding with the polymer types according to the needs. Select a material. Click the right side of the list to download the material file, which can be imported in Model 3D Studio Simulation. The information of this material displayed on the right includes data quality index analysis of the material, processing curves, processing conditions, and mechanical properties, in which the curves of viscosity and the specific balance can be switched between different plotting methods through the labels of x-axis. In addition, click each characteristic temperature to mark the corresponding temperature range in the above curves. Besides the overview, you can further view more content of these 6 properties. For example, PVT. The curves under different conditions can be seen at the same time, and also able to mark the selected characteristic temperature or set the chart range of the curve. Next, let's take a look at the operation interface of the whole function. Okay, now this is the screen of the Material Database Viewer function. First, let's find a material to view. There are various search methods to find the material you want to view. The icon in the middle can switch between different bindings to get different results. Okay, let's choose this material. On the lower right side, you can mark its material temperature, molar temperature, or the other characteristic temperature. Switch to the viscosity curve. The x-axis below can switch between different plotting methods. The PVT can always be switched to different plotting methods. Heat capacity, thermal conductivity, mechanical properties, processing conditions. Okay, we are very interested in this material. We can also download its material file here, which can be imported from Model 3D Studio. That is all about the operation interface of the Material Database Viewer function.